Are you constantly feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or just plain sluggish after eating? Believe it or not, your daily habits might be wreaking havoc on your digestion. In fact, some of the most common things we do without even realizing it can slow down our digestive system, leading to symptoms like bloating, acid reflux, constipation, and even long-term digestive issues. So, if you've been suffering from stomach cramps, irregular bowel movements, or that frustrating heavy feeling in your gut, it's time to take a closer look at what's going on. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 shocking habits that are ruining your digestion. And trust me, number 1 is so common that almost everyone is guilty of it. Stay tuned to find out how you can break these habits and get your digestion back on track for a healthier, happier you. 10. Eating too quickly when you're pressed for time. It's easy to scarf down your meal without a second thought. But eating too quickly can significantly harm your digestion. When you rush through your meal, you're not giving your body the chance to properly break down food, which can lead to indigestion, gas, and bloating. Not only that, but you also tend to swallow more air when eating fast, further increasing discomfort. Your brain needs about 20 minutes to signal that you're full, so eating too fast often leads to overeating, which puts even more stress on your digestive system. By slowing down and chewing your food thoroughly, you're not only giving your body time to digest properly, but you're also preventing digestive issues in the long run. 9. Skipping meals. Skipping meals may seem like a quick solution to cutting calories or managing a busy schedule, but it can seriously disrupt your digestive system. When you skip meals, your body goes into survival mode, meaning it slows down your metabolism and digestive functions. This can lead to constipation, bloating, and even intense hunger later in the day, causing you to overeat. Over time, this cycle can stress your digestive system, making it harder for your body to break down and absorb nutrients. Instead of skipping meals, try eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day to keep your digestion and energy levels stable. 8. Drinking too much. During meals, it's common to have a drink with your meal, but drinking too much water or other beverages while you eat can actually dilute your stomach acid. Stomach acid is essential for breaking down food, and when it's too diluted, your body struggles to digest properly. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, and even heartburn. To avoid this, try sipping water instead of gulping down large amounts during meals. You should also consider drinking water about 30 minutes before or after your meal to ensure optimal digestion without overloading your stomach with liquids. 7. Lack of fiber. In your diet, fiber is a crucial component of a healthy digestive system, yet many people don't get enough of it in their daily diet. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and ensures that your digestive system functions smoothly. Without sufficient fiber, food moves more slowly through the digestive tract, which can lead to constipation, bloating, and discomfort. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut that are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. A diet low in fiber often consists of processed foods that lack the essential nutrients your body needs. To improve your digestion, try incorporating more fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and seeds. A simple change like adding chia seeds to your smoothie or opting for whole grain bread instead of white bread can make a big difference. 6. Eating right before bed. Do you find yourself reaching for a late-night snack? It might seem harmless, but eating right before bed can disrupt your digestion and lead to issues like acid reflux, indigestion, and heartburn. When you lie down soon after eating, gravity no longer helps keep your stomach acids in place, allowing them to flow back into your esophagus, causing that uncomfortable burning sensation known as heartburn. Additionally, the body's digestion naturally slows down during sleep, making it harder to process food properly, which can leave you feeling bloated and heavy when you wake up. To give your body enough time to digest, it's best to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. This simple change can prevent a lot of digestive discomfort and promote better sleep. 5. Consuming too much processed food. Processed foods are a staple in many people's diets, but they can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Foods like packaged snacks, frozen meals, and sugary treats are often loaded with unhealthy fats, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. These ingredients are difficult for your body to break down, leading to bloating, gas, and constipation. Processed foods also tend to lack the fiber and essential nutrients that promote healthy digestion. Additionally, consuming large amounts of processed foods can cause inflammation in your gut, further slowing down digestion and leading to long-term issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or leaky gut syndrome. Instead of relying on processed foods, try opting for whole, nutrient-dense alternatives, like fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Your digestive system will thank you for it. 4. Not chewing your food properly. It may sound simple, but how well you chew your food can have a huge impact on your digestion. Chewing is the first step in the digestive process, and it's often overlooked. When you don't chew your food thoroughly, large pieces enter your stomach, making it harder for digestive enzymes to break them down. This can lead to issues like bloating, indigestion, and nutrient malabsorption. Not chewing well can also make you eat faster, which increases the likelihood of overeating and swallowing air, both of which contribute to discomfort. The solution? Slow down and chew your food until it's almost liquid. This allows your body to digest more efficiently and absorb nutrients better. Experts recommend chewing each bite 20 to 30 times before swallowing. It's a simple habit that can make a huge difference. 3. High stress levels. Stress is a silent saboteur when it comes to your digestion. When you're stressed, your body shifts into fight or flight mode, redirecting energy away from non-essential functions, including digestion. This can slow down digestive processes, leading to symptoms like stomach cramps, nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. Chronic stress can even cause more severe digestive conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, where your gut becomes hypersensitive to stress. Additionally, stress can increase the production of stomach acid, which can lead to heartburn and acid reflux. Managing stress is key to improving digestion. Incorporating stress relief techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even regular physical activity can significantly improve your digestive health. 2. Lack of physical activity. Physical activity does more than keep your muscles toned. It's also crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. When you live a sedentary lifestyle, your digestive system can slow down, leading to problems like constipation and bloating. Movement helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, aiding the passage of food through your system. Without regular exercise, this process can become sluggish, making digestion more difficult. Activities like walking, yoga, or even light stretching can do wonders for your digestive health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of physical activity a day can help reduce symptoms like gas and constipation and keep your digestive system running smoothly. 1. Overeating. And now the #1 habit that's ruining your digestion: overeating. This is perhaps the most common mistake many people make, and it can seriously disrupt your digestive system. When you overeat, your stomach becomes overstretched, which slows down the digestive process. This can lead to symptoms like bloating, indigestion, heartburn, and discomfort. Not only that, but overeating also forces your body to work overtime to break down large amounts of food, causing fatigue and sluggishness. One of the biggest contributors to overeating is not listening to your body's hunger signals. By eating mindfully, paying attention to portion sizes, and stopping when you're satisfied, you can avoid overwhelming your digestive system and feel much lighter after meals. There you have it. These 10 shocking habits could be ruining your digestion without you even realizing it. But the good news is it's never too late to make changes. By breaking these habits, you can start feeling lighter, more energized, and overall healthier. Your digestive system is crucial to your well-being, so taking care of it should be a top priority. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. They might be struggling with the same issues. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching Healthy Vitality, and we'll see you in the next video.